Hello and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I asked people from all around the world and of all age groups one simple question. What does freedom mean to you? While you listen to the answers, I will take you on a little visual journey flying through the Alps. I hope you enjoy.
For me, freedom means to be the person I want to be without changing to fit in. It also means to be financially free and surround myself with people who make me happy.
Freedom for me is being who I am.
I guess freedom means being able to do whatever it takes to make myself happy, fully content, and be at peace.
Freedom means loving who I want to love, being who I want to be, being loud and being quiet, accept myself and being accepted, living my life in a chaotic way if I want to.
Freedom for me is keeping the child in me alive, to simply act and be a child forever. Nana.
Freedom for me is the absence of oppression and the ability to be who you want to be and to do what you want to do.
Freedom to me is many things, but most of all, it's freedom of thought and expression, the freedom to be able to believe and be who you are.
For me, freedom is the emotion of being able to be unconditional from all. Feeling no boundaries is freedom to me.
Freedom for me is when I have freedom to the reactions of my thoughts. Freedom for me is also that I feel good, I feel joy, I feel excitement, irrelevant of where I am. No place, no house, no hotel, no holiday will make me feel better. This is for me, true freedom.
I feel free if my well-being is not controlled by a system, a person, an addiction, emotions, feelings, or a sickness, and if I have the freedom to choose how to respond to them. That's when I feel free.
So to me, freedom means being able to live your true self and being independent so that you can always grow and get better to be the best version of yourself in the end of the day.
Freedom. It's that moment of choice that I grant myself.
For me, freedom is being comfortable within yourself and allowing yourself the space to express yourself and be free and then be comfortable with who you are.
Freedom for me is the ability to do anything I want to do without any authority telling me what I should or shouldn't do.
For me, freedom means to enjoy yourself, to escape a little bit from the daily routine, doing whatever you love the most, and of course, to be yourself.
Freedom is the ability to choose what I think and how I wish to feel in any moment, regardless of the current conditions surrounding me.
Freedom for me is to be able to walk freely on the roads of my country without being afraid.
Freedom is when you can reach your dreams just by believing in yourself for who you are and what you can do.